Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up caller ID announcements on your phone. It's a simple and quick process that will help you know who's calling, even if the number is unknown. Just follow the steps I share and you'll never have to guess a caller's name again. Let's get started. Open the Play Store and search for Google Contacts. If you haven't downloaded the app before, download it now. Once installed, click on Open. Here, you will see 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on them, then select Settings. First, click on Caller ID and enable the first option if it's turned off. Now go back and find the Caller ID announcement option. Click on it and then allow it. That's all for today. Now you can easily hear the names of unknown callers. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.